Hey guys, it's Kristin. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can grow your own sprouts just in a jar with pretty much water. So this is what it looks like when it's completely done. It will take approximately a week to completely grow, which is a lot faster if you think about it than when you grow other things like outside, you know, vegetables and fruit and stuff like that. So let's jump right into the video and I'll show you guys exactly what you need and then how to grow these. So for this tutorial, you will need a canning jar, and obviously there's multiple different sizes. You also need a sprouting lid, and I'll link that in the video description. And then you'll need some sprouting seeds. So I'm gonna start with this smaller jar, but then I am gonna have to move up to the bigger one once the sprouts get a little bit larger. So the first thing we're gonna do is take 2 tablespoons of seeds, and I'm just gonna put that right in here. Okay. And now we're gonna do 6 tablespoons of water. If you wanna do like 3 tablespoons of seeds, then you'll wanna do 9 tablespoons of water. So just triple the amount of water for the seeds. You'll wanna mix this around just to make sure that you have all of the seeds completely soaked in water. Now we're gonna put our sprouting lid on. So now I'm just gonna place this in our pantry, kind of in the back so it's a little bit darker, and we're gonna leave it there for about 10 to 12 hours. All right, so now it's been about 10 to 12 hours and I'm gonna go ahead and rinse these seeds out. So I'm just gonna drain this. We're gonna get all the water out. And then we're gonna fill this up with cool water. And I'm just gonna swish that around a little bit. And we're gonna drain it again. And I'll do it one more time. And then I'm just gonna drain all the water out completely. And then you're gonna wanna get a dish and just put your glass jar in there upside down like that. So you wanna leave this upside down to completely drain because you don't want any water in there. So I'm just placing this back where it was, kind of in a cool, dark place, and then we'll rinse it in 10 to 12 hours. All right, so it's the next morning, and you can see there's a bunch of water in here. So what we're gonna do is rinse these seeds again, and then we're gonna put this back in this bowl, and you'll just wanna repeat this process every 10 to 12 hours until your seeds are fully grown. So I'm about halfway through the 4th day, and as you can see, the sprouts are pretty much to the top of this jar. So I'm gonna be transferring them over to this larger one. So now I have them in the larger jar, but you still do the same process. So I have them sitting in this little bowl, and we're draining all the water. Now once you see it turn green, it's pretty much done. So what I'm gonna do now is take a Ziploc bag, and I just have a paper towel in here, and I'm gonna put the sprouts in the Ziploc bag just to absorb some water, but you don't have to do that. You can just leave it in this jar and put it right in the fridge. So now I have all my sprouts in the bag, and I'm gonna put another paper towel on top inside here, and then in an hour or so I'll take it out. This will be good for about 5 days in your fridge. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave me comments below if you have any other suggestions for other how-to videos or comments about this particular video. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit this bell so you're alerted when I upload a new video. And I'll talk to you later.